Hi there, my name's April Sawtelle and welcome to my channel. So this video has nothing to do with sewing. Today what I'm going to be doing is something a little bit different. On the last video I showed you, what I was doing was working on a checklist. I'm so behind on everything, so before I can get quilting, I've got to get some things finished around here. We have just been right out straight. We've had a lot of issues that have happened this year, so we're just trying to get back on track. So before I can start quilting, I'm feeling like I just need to get caught up with a lot of other things. So I thought it would be more of a little chit chat, just gabbing as I go. I just felt like I wanted to turn the camera on and say hello to everybody, and I thought I'd just take you along for the ride while I'm just doing some of my little things off my checklist. I'm super excited to get these done. I can't wait to get back to my quilting and get back to finishing some of my quilt projects that I've already started. So all I'm going to do today is I just got some bags I need to put a couple of things in, nothing much, just to get ready for Halloween. I have a lot of grandchildren, and right now one of the things I need to do is just get their little bags ready. Not much, there's not much going in their little bag, it's just a little trick-or-treat bag. And I hope you enjoy hanging out with me. One thing that's going to go in the bags are some of these little hair scrunchies. So I'm not going to make these on camera today, but I'm going to link below. I did make these on camera at some time back, and I'll link below how to make the hair scrunchies. So I usually make them ahead of time because I fill that bag right up full with hair scrunchies all seasons. There's just some always made up. So that's the good part of that they're already ready, so I didn't have to sew them. So I think you'll enjoy that tutorial if you like to make hair scrunchies. They're great gifts. I wear hair scrunchies all the time. The other day I was on Facebook and the funniest thing happened. This woman had wrote in and she said, I'm trying to make hair scrunchies, and she needed to get reference to some sites to make hair scrunchies. Somebody commented on that post and said, hair scrunchies? Who would want hair scrunchies? Those have been out of date for a long, long time. So here I am with hair scrunchies. It's okay. My grandkids wear them. We all wear them. My kids wear them. Doesn't matter. They never went out for us. And I don't think they ever are going to be going out anytime soon for us. We all have longer hair and we all keep it kind of pulled up. Anyhow, the funny part is I went to this big event and there was a lot of people there. And this lady sat across the table from me. And I noticed she had long hair. She had a hair scrunchie in. So at some point we got gabbing, and I'm like, hey, you know what? I just heard. I go, I think we're the only two people in the world that still wear hair scrunchies. She goes, I never stopped. I'm like, yeah, I never stopped either. I go, but it was just funny. I saw a post where somebody commented and said, oh, those have been gone for a long time. So everything comes back around. So maybe they're just back around now. We'll see. So for my little grandkids, I just wanted to give them a little something. I probably won't be with them. I don't think I will be for Halloween. I've already sent over some stuff. I've got them socks. I like to get them the little Halloween socks, just so that every day they can have something fun to do during the whole season. Of course, I didn't do that for my kids. Halloween was just not one of the holidays that I ever really cared much about till I had grandkids. Now I want them to be doing Halloween the whole month, so it's kind of funny. So all I did was I got some bags at Walmart. They were $1 a piece. These will be really good trick-or-treat bags. They were $1 a piece. If you get stuff at the dollar store, it's $1.25, so it was even cheaper than that. Yeah, they were 98 cents. And they are adorable. I got some tablecloths. I got these at Walmart. They were like $3.97 each. I thought they'd have fun with those, so I got one for each of them. Well, each of the houses where I'm sending this to. And then I have the candy for them. I bought them all some bracelets. I really wanted the necklaces, but I couldn't find any of the necklaces. They're just the glow in the dark. And these were also 98 cents a piece too. And of course, I made all the hair scrunchies. So I'm going to just link below how to make the hair scrunchies. I have a tutorial, a step-by-step tutorial at how to make these. And just more bracelets. I'll give everybody a hair scrunchie. So even the little boys, because the little boys like to just wear them on their little wrist. I'm not putting anybody's names on these or anything. I'm just going to hand them out. And of course, I already got them like socks, and I got some of the kids some pajamas, and I got some of the kids like a couple of shirts. I'm just going to fill the trick-or-treat bag with 3 little items. A little box of candy, and some bracelets, and a hair scrunchie. Last year I made a couple of quilts for Halloween, and that was good. I wasn't as busy last year as I was this year, but I'm hoping that everything's going to slow down now. Even in the spring, it was really a crazy spring too. It was a crazy summer. We just really have had a nonstop, and we've also had, my husband had some medical issues that he had to go get taken care of, so it's just been a long year. But that's okay. That's all in the past. We're all looking now to the future, and everything is good and back on track. Almost, as soon as I get my checklist done. And it's so hard to get motivated when you have such a big checklist. It's like you just dread, like, oh, there's so many little projects to do. But once you make that list and you start checking off each item as you go, boy, I'm really getting close. I'm so close. Even as far as watching YouTube, I just didn't even have a lot of time to be doing that. I love watching people's lives and stuff. I haven't even been able to do that. So hopefully this list is almost done. And what I'll do is I will, when I go back out, I will go deliver these to everybody. If you want to leave in the comments, what do you guys do anything for Halloween? It's funny because I never used to with my kids. I mean, we went trick-or-treating and they had costumes and all that, but I kind of like really love it now. Like, it's so much fun now. I guess it's just with grandkids. I don't know. I usually have more time. Before it used to be, hurry up, we got to get our costumes, hurry up, we got to go trick-or-treating. You know, it was just so fast-paced. So now it's just so much fun, and I love doing this type of stuff for those little kids. There, I think that's it. And then I'm going to just throw these in one of the bags, and I'm going to know to give one of these, I'll pull it out when I get to their house, and give them each a tablecloth so they can put it on their table. So I'm super happy to say I've got one more little task checked off. Yay, I can't wait. So if you do something for Halloween that's kind of fun, go ahead and leave me a comment. I'd love to hear it. And I love to chat. So please leave comments below. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I plan on doing lots and lots of tutorials here coming right up. And if you want, go ahead and watch all my little shorts. They're super fun. I'm having a fun time with little Miss Reddy Thready. I hope you'll watch those as well. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember to keep it simple. Have a nice day. Bye. Say bye, little Miss Reddy Thready. Little Miss Reddy Thready's hiding. I'll give you a little hint. Look behind this shoulder. Bye. Have a nice day.